you go, let's look at the banking sector and the security applications and systems around financial firms. How fundamentally secured are the banks?
No, our banking sector is very strong. In fact, I would say we have the best banking sector in Africa. And many of our banking institutions can compete globally with many of the banks and even in the advanced economies. Because the level of technology application in our banking system is superb. The electronic payment system is great. Industry statistics as at 2022 show that we had an electronic payment system to the value of 1,550 trillion naira. That's 1.55 quadrillion. It's a lot. So when it comes to, electronic payment system, it's also a reflection on how far our banking system had gone. And if you look at the critical ratios that you use to measure the stability of a bank, like the capital adequacy ratio, non-performing loan ratio, liquidity ratio, our banking system is great. I mean, for a long time, we haven't had any major bank failure in this country. So they are doing a lot. And I know that they are investing a lot in technology, including cybersecurity. There are manner of softwares that they are using because they also appreciate the risk to their businesses of cyber insecurity. So there's a lot of investment that has gone into that space. So as far as the private sector is concerned, I think there have been significant investments in that space. I don't think we need to worry so much. What we need to worry about is the negative impact on the electronic payment culture that you're already nurturing and growing. That is likely to be challenged by this cyber security levy. So that is why I think that we need to go back to the drawing board and look at this whole policy again. Let that play out even more when we are talking about this kind of policies or legislation.
Well, I think a good place to leave the conversation. CEO Center for the Promotion of Private Enterprises, Dr. Muda Yusuf, thank you for your time on the program.
Thank you very much, Frank. Thank you.
Well, interesting conversation there. You've been watching Business Week. Just before we draw the curtain on this episode, let's tell you that the latest